For our last day in Guadalajara, we decided to visit Bosque Los Colomos Park. He's got a bushy tail.
I know.
Look at him, he's hiding. We are now in the Japanese gardens. So lovely and tranquil. You have to whisper in here.
Beautiful.
Just whisper.
Just beautiful. Muy.
It's breathtaking. There's ducks here too. Look at them. So many boys. So many of them. Look at all their mouths. Daddy's back. Dustin has nothing. He's gonna be pissed. It just keeps getting better. There's turtles swimming. Look at them all. There's so many. There's piles of turtles. Turtles on turtles. Sticking his leg out. Getting all the sun.
Yeah, tanning that one leg.
He needs it for balance.
Here we are at a beautiful Mexican water feature. Honey.
We stumbled upon this duck pond with all the ducks, and they seem pretty friendly. Gonna see if they'll let me pet it. Oh no, he's wagging. Oh no, he doesn't like that. Senor duck. I don't know what duck is in Spanish.
Ave. Ave.
Ave?
Ave.
Mr. Duck has come out to see what all the commotion's about with the squirrels. We've just stumbled on a dream come true. There's horses in this park, and we can ride them. We rented the horses, and currently riding through the park. It was 100 pesos for an hour, which is like $6.75 Canadian.
Love how we're just able to ride with no supervision.
No question.
Like
Have you ridden a horse before? This is what you do. No instructions.
like I'm a ranchero. I reckon we'll make it to Hidalgo in a couple of days.
In case you need to lasso any wild animals.
Yeah. What's your horse's name?
My horse's name is Peppy.
Peppy?
Peppy is named by
Peppy,
me.
say hi to the camera.
Peppy. The perfect way to end our time in Guadalajara. Quack, quack.